Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel Learn with Surbhi, and today's topic is lowest common multiple by prime factorization or LCM, that is lowest common multiple, or we can say least common multiple by prime factorization. Before going to start the topic, if you have not subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe and press bell icon to get instant notification of my latest upcoming videos in future. Now let's start the topic, that is LCM by prime factorization. Do you remember LCM and prime factorization? To understand these terms LCM and prime factorization, you can go through with my previous videos that is totally based on LCM and one video is based on prime factorization. In short, we can discuss as if we have to find the LCM of given numbers, then it means you have to find the smallest common multiple. Least means smallest. That number which is divisible by 15 as well as 90, but it must be smallest common multiple. And prime factorization. Prime means the number which has only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So we have to do the prime factorization of the given numbers first. Let's read the question. Find the LCM of 15 and 90 using prime factorization. So let's start with the first step, that is prime factorization of 15. What we have to do? We have to make a pattern like this. Now, as it is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. So, we have to take the next prime number, that is 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 is already a prime number, so it is divisible by 5 itself. 5 1s are 5. So, prime factorization of 15 will be 3 into 5. See, 3 5s are 15. Now, next step, you have to find the prime factorization of 90. For that, again make a pattern like this. It is an even number, so it is divisible by 2 itself. 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s are 10. Now it is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. Take the next prime number, that is 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. Again it is divisible by 3. 3 5s are 15. Now take the number 5. 5 1s are 5. So prime factorization of 90 will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. See, 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. So it is a prime factorization of 90, and this is the prime factorization of 15. Now in the next step, you have to find the LCM of 15 and 90. For that, what you have to do? You have to make the group of common factors of the given numbers. See, as 3 is the prime factor of 15, also 3 is the prime factor of 90 also. So make a group like this. Okay. Now next is 5. 5 is common factor for 15 as well as 5 is a common factor for 90 also. So make a group like this. Now we left with 2 and 3. कोई बात नहीं, यही तो हमें करना है. अब हमें LCM निकालना है. Let's find the LCM of 15 and 90. Now, जो हमने ये ग्रुप बनाया है, इस ग्रुप में से हम इस ग्रुप में से एक ही बार इस नंबर को लेंगे, दैट इज 3. ये 3 का ग्रुप है ना, तो हमने इसको एक ही बार लिखना है. नाउ अब ये 5 का ग्रुप है, हम इसको भी एक बार लिख देंगे. अब ये जो नंबर रह गए थे, इनको दोनों को हमें लेना होगा, क्योंकि इनका तो कोई ग्रुप है ही नहीं, पर अब हम इनको एज इट इज ले लेंगे. Now this is the LCM of 15 and 90. 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 33s are 90. So this is the LCM of 15 and 90. This is the smallest number that is divisible by 15 and 90. You can check. इससे छोटा कोई भी नंबर 15 और 90, 15 से तो डिविजिबल होगा लेकिन 90 से डिविजिबल नहीं हो सकता अगर वो 90 से छोटा है, because 90 is the smallest number that is divisible by 90 itself. So 90 is the least common multiple of 15 and 90. Let's take one more example. In this, you have to find the LCM of 15, 24 and 44 using prime factorization. In this, I have taken 3 numbers. So, in the first step, we have to do the prime factorization of 15. Draw a pattern like this. 15. 15 is an odd number, so it is not divisible by 2. So, we have taken 3 as prime number. 3 5s are 15. 5 1s are 5. So, prime factorization of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. Now we have to find the prime factorization of 24. Do the prime factorization of 24. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 12 is an even number, it is divisible by 2, 2 6 are 12, again it is divisible by 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So the prime factorization of 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now we have to do the prime factorization of 44. It is an even number, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Again it is an even number. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. 11, it has only 2 factors, that is 1 and the number itself, that is 11. So it is a prime number. 11 1s are 11. All these numbers are prime numbers. These are prime numbers. These are prime numbers. The prime factorization of 44 is 2 into 2 into 11. That is 2 2s are 4, 4 11s are 44. Now by this we have completed our first step. Now the second step, we have to find the LCM of 15, 24 and 44. Now we have to make the groups of common factors. अब ये common factors दो नंबर के भी common factors हो सकते हैं, कोई से भी दो नंबर के भी हो सकते हैं या सभी के भी common factors हो सकते हैं, पर हमें अगर वो नंबर तीनों नंबर्स का गिवन नंबर्स का कॉमन फैक्टर है तो हमें एक सिंगल ग्रुप बनाना होगा उसका. ओके, अगर वो सिर्फ किसी दो नंबर्स का कॉमन फैक्टर है तो हमें उसका अलग ग्रुप बनाना होगा. लेट्स सी, एज 3 इज a common factor for 15 and 24, so make a group like this. Now 2 is a common factor for 24 and 44, make a group like this. Again 2 is a common factor for 24 and 44. Now 5 has no common factor for prime factorization of 24 and not a common factor for 44. Again 2 is left alone as it is not a common factor for 15 as well as it is not common for 44. जो थे 2 वो तो ग्रुप में आ चुके हैं, अब इसका कोई और ग्रुप नहीं बन पा रहा है तो it is alone. Now the next is 11. 11 is a factor of 44 but it is not a common factor for 15 and 24. So let's write the factors over here. क्योंकि इसका ग्रुप बना हुआ है अब हम इसको सिर्फ एक ही बार लिखेंगे, दैट इज 2. इसका ग्रुप बना हुआ है, इसको भी हम सिर्फ एक ही बार लिखेंगे. 3 का ग्रुप बना हुआ है, इसको भी हम एक ही बार लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट जो आपके रह गए हैं नंबर्स उन सभी को आप लिख दीजिए. नाउ द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दीज नंबर्स विल बी द एलसीएम ऑफ 15, 24 एंड 44. सी, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 5s are 120. 24 multiplied by 5, we will get 5 4s are 20, 2 in my mind, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 120. Now 120 multiplied by 11, 11 0 0, 11 2s are 22, 11 1s are 11 plus 2, 13. So the answer is 1320. This is the LCM of 15, 24 and 44. Let's do one more example. In this, you have to find the LCM of 10, 20 and 25. In the first step, you have to do the prime factorization of 20. It is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 0 0, 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. Prime factorization of 20 is equal to 2 into 2 into 5. Now, let's do the prime factorization of 10. 2 5s are 10 and 5 1s are 5. The prime factorization of 10 is equal to 2 into 5. All these numbers are prime numbers as all of them having only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Now the next step, we have to do the prime factorization of 25. It is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. So the prime factorization of 25 is equal to 5 multiplied by 5. Now in the next step, we have to find the LCM of 20, 10 or 25, or we can say 10, 20 and 25. How we will find LCM? Make the group of factors, common factors. Make a group of common factors. As you can see, 2 is a common factor for 10 and 20 both, but it is not common for 25, so just make a group like this. Now again, see, the next prime factor is 2, but it is not common for 10. जो था उसका हमने ग्रुप बना दिया है. अब दूसरा कोई 2 नंबर 2 है ही नहीं हमारे पास फैक्टर. ऐसी 25 का तो फैक्टर होता ही नहीं है 2, तो ये हमारा अकेला रह गया. ओके, हम इसको चलो ऐसे मार्क कर देते हैं क्योंकि हमें इसको लिखना है अभी. नाउ वी हैव टू look at the next factor, that is 5. 5 is a common factor for 20, 5 is a common factor for 10 and 5 is a common factor for 25. So make a group like this. अब यहाँ पे इसमें कुछ नहीं बचा, इसमें कुछ नहीं बचा, इसमें ये एक रह गया है, तो इसको ये अकेला है, इसका कोई ग्रुप नहीं बन रहा. जो एक था उसका ग्रुप बन गया है ना, इसका ग्रुप नहीं बन रहा. तो अब हमें ये सारे फैक्टर्स लिखने हैं. ग्रुप में जो नंबर्स हैं उनको हमें एक ही बार लिखना है, 2. नेक्स्ट ये अकेला है, इसको लिख दीजिए 2. ग्रुप वाले को हमें एक ही बार लिखना है, दैट इज 5. और ये एक अकेला रह गया, इसको भी आप लिख देंगे 5. नाउ फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20, 25s are 100. So 100 is the LCM of 10, 20 and 25. I hope you understood the concept. If you understood and like this video, then do not forget to subscribe my channel and keep on learning, keep smiling. Bye bye.